Vlogs on New Year's
Whoa.
with Brianna, even though you can't see her, and Jill, even though you can't see her either.
Hey, hey,
and
hey.
my mom.
Whoa.
That's awesome.
Sonic Rain Boom. Whoa.
It look like, yeah, same. I hate when it does that. When it's not as good as it is in person.
I'm gonna stop here.
Do you remember coming here as a little girl, Emilia, with Grandpa and Grandma? And you climbed up. We did this a few times.
Who touched on you?
Who's touching me, Jelly?
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Do you?
Not yet, not yet.
But still.
Jilly, when we go down, we should just slide on our boots, like sit, like kind of
Yes.
like kneel, like.
Or just slide on your butt.
Oh God,
That's
totally.
no attraction.
We should come sledding
Your
here.
butt.
We should
Yeah,
come
let's
sledding
see.
here.
Jilly, let's see what it looks like on your phone.
Let's see.
Same.
Yours makes it look better.
Really?
Well, it is because it's an iPhone, so.
Well, that's not the 5, but
It's an.
the 5 doesn't. The 5's not as good, I heard. That's what I heard, at least. Whoa. It's the main 6.
Oh, Jelly.
No, that's the main 6. See, it's got all the colors except green. Green's not a main 6.
Too bad you guys can't see the colors. It's green and red and
I
white.
can see the colors.
Whoa.
Camera.
Trippy.
You know what, Emilia? I'm going to start going down, and I'll do a little filming from down there.
Okay,
and
go,
you
go,
guys
go.
just down.
Run like the wind. Run like
Forest.
the wind. Woo! It's popcorn. What happened if I went like that? And then Jilly goes like,
Whoa.
Oh,
that'd be, whoa.
I know you can't see this right now, but it looks really cool.
Yeah, it's like these swirls of awesomeness.
It's like Mentos and Coke.
It does.
That's so cool.
Plus little green ones and white ones.
Whoa. Trippy.
Whoa.
Ermagerd.
I'm stopping there, guys, because you probably can't see this bit good. Bye. There we go. Oh, wait.
I'm afraid if I stop filming, then I'm gonna miss something.
Jilly, I'm afraid I'm going to miss some whoa.
whoa.
Oh, see?
Oh, my butt's getting wet.
Me too.
Oh,
I'm putting this on YouTube.
So very comfy.
thank you.
No,
I've heard that a lot.